G'day, how you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life, and today I'm in my backyard. So we're actually at home, self-isolating at the moment. So I've used that time to do some things to the patrol. So this week we'd actually planned on being in the Victorian High Country. We had a trip organised as a fundraising event for Beyond Blue. We had 12 vehicles organised for that, with some great companies jumping on board supporting the cause as well. But unfortunately we had to put that trip aside. It's not cancelled, we've just postponed it. So last week I got a winch installed on the front of the patrol, and I've got a few other suspension things done, which I'll show you later on. So just today, while I've been at home, I've done a few things to patrol, but I'll start with the first thing I've done today. So I just whipped off the bonnet protector. So that was purple. It's been on the front of the car for 13 years. It's faded, looked pretty average. Had some gloss black paint just sitting in the shed there. So what I've done, I've just painted all the inside of this. So when it sits back on the patrol, which I'll probably put it back on tomorrow because it's not quite dry yet, it'll just give it a nice freshen up as well. And I'll give you a walk around of a few little additions that I've done in the patrol and things to keep you moving and motivated and stuff. Just utilise the most of this time that you do have at home. But this one, I'll just film this Arvo. Tomorrow I will give you a quick walk around of what I've done to the patrol in the last week to 10 days. Good morning. So this video here, like I mentioned yesterday, just about a few freshen up things I'm just doing to the patrol just during these crazy times while we're all stuck at home. So yesterday I showed you how I just gave the bonnet protector there a bit of a freshen up. That's gone on pretty good. Just keep in mind though, in behind the bonnet there's little plastic clips. They are quite brittle after 13 odd years of being on the patrol, but I managed to get them all in there pretty good. Just a little bit of a tedious sort of job, but yeah, managed to get that all on late last night. Something else I did do yesterday was I grabbed some of this Mothers, which I had sitting at home, gave the headlights a freshen up. So just a microfiber cloth, just nice circular motion, got that all sorted. You can get quite a few different products on the market. That's just one I had at home, so just done all that there. And also gave the car a really good wash. I even went as far as doing tyre shine, which, you don't normally tyre shine your four-wheel drive. Well, I don't anyway. And I also did all the interior as well, so the car's looking pretty flash inside and out. The polish I used yesterday was this Maguire's. I've had this for quite some time. Again, I just used some polishing cloths and just did the wax, the polish with that on and off. It hasn't got everything out. I have got some quite deep scratches and stuff through the paintwork, which is to be expected, but yeah, it's come up pretty well. And during that time as well, it's a good time just to check over everything, pop your car up on ramps, go over everything, make sure everything's nice and tight anyway. Just, normally that's that routine maintenance anyway, but it's quite an easy thing to do while you're just poking around at home. Just doing not a hell of a lot. Now, the biggest thing, or the newest thing I've done to the patrol is I've put a Runva XP premium winch on the front. So I got that supplied and fitted by Shane at Pro Auto Electrics. He's done an absolutely awesome job. The wiring and all the connections and everything is absolutely flawless. So I had a winch on there in the past. I took that off a few years ago, but in that time it just never got around putting it on, and bits and pieces got lost and everything. So time for a brand new winch. I had that all ready for the high country trip that we had planned. but that's now going to be there ready. Hopefully be all ready for the upcoming snow season, when we're actually able to get back out in the bush and enjoy those fantastic areas that we go to. Another job I also got it done in readiness was all new sway bar links, suspension bushes and rubbers and things like that. So everything's nice and fresh and ready to hit the tracks. Now if you've got any hints or tips that you would like to give us or share with everybody on what you're doing while you're staying home to your car, be sure to pop it in the comments down below, and I do reply to every comment that gets popped up in the comments. You can also follow the behind the scenes stuff on Facebook or Instagram. You can even share your photos of what you've been doing on my Facebook page as well. So thanks heaps for watching. I'll see you all next time. Cheers.